Today, we're making fudgy chocolate brownies in our Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Start by setting your rack position to 6 and turn the confirm dial to bake. The top number displays the temperature, which can be adjusted using the temperature dial. The time dial sets cooking time. Now, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the baking paper large enough to reach the edges of the baking tray, as this will allow for adequate heat circulation. What I love about baking in the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is that you really can't mess up your brownie because of the Element IQ system's precise heating control. Position the tin in the middle of the oven. Selecting the bake function allows you to choose between convection or super convection, or neither, and the temperature will just adjust automatically to suit. When we're looking for a crispier food result, we'll use super convection, but for this recipe, we'll use convection for a beautifully fudgy result. So quick and easy. Do a quick skewer test, and if it comes out slightly gooey, it's perfect. Aside from the nifty convection and super convection options, the bake function also offers the Rotate Remind feature, which will remind you to switch the position of the food in the oven so you get the most even baking results. Fudgy brownies, what a great weekend treat to share. Or maybe just keep them to yourself.